Hey guys, we're here at Pius the 12th Auditorium. Setting up for our show tomorrow.
Hello.
Hello, see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, guys.
Bukas
Bukas show.
show.
Yes. Andito kami sa Pius ngayon. May show kami bukas. Rizal Behind Bars. Ayan.
Di po kita si Annalyn. Adjust nyo na lang po yung brightness.
Palibasa na kasi.
Hintayin mong sumindi ang ilaw. Hi, Tintin. Hi, Ray.
Sarot.
Ah, di ba? Smile. Do you want to tag? O, dito. Pakita natin yung set natin ng konti. Ting! Oh, yan na. Ayan, dumilim na.
May pasasikip.
Yeah. Okay. So, nandito kami. Naghahanap kami ng mumu ngayon. Ay, hindi. Mumu talaga. Hi, Rain. Nakamaroon yung mumu. Hi, guys daw. Sabi ni Tin.
Ay, Ate Ting!
Charot. Hi daw ah.
Ay! Charot.
Hi, Ate Tin.
Charot.
Ate na rin.
Ay, Ate Ray.
Ate do.
Mas matanda ka nga dun eh.
Kuya Francis umiyak.
Wawa.
Oh. Wala lang. Kulitan na kasi hinintay namin yung pagkain. Ang tagal ni Manong Grab eh. Yeah. Sherwin is watching. Hello guys. So tomorrow, we are doing our very first show of Rizal Behind Bars. Nakaganto ako kasi. Alam niyo na.
Sherwin, very supportive. Like ng like sa ating mga video.
Yes. Siyempre si Carl nag-hi guys din. Nandito siya.
Mali yung hi guys mo.
Mali ba? Hindi you.
Mas diba, Francis?
Yeah. Ayan. So, nandito kami sa Mumu Auditorium. Yeah, marami kami experience dito. Naghahanap ako ng shadows in the... Yung mga children of the night. Oh, si Shampoo. Kilala nyo na si Shampoo?
Sino ba yung shampoo doon?
Doon kayo sa taas. Nandun na sa sound booth.
Hi, shampoo.
Maamoy mo siya. Nangangalabit yun.
Ito yung
Ayan, so... Ayan, may ilaw na ako. Break a leg daw tomorrow, guys. Hindi kami kompleto today. Ayan, these are the people who helped out. Cut tickets. Fix costumes. Ayan, o, diba? Patay sindi ang ilaw namin.
Di daw po makikita si Annalyn.
Ayan, o. Ang sweet nila, o. Ay.
Ay.
Ayan, hi daw, sabi ni Francis. Ano? Ay. Dati nukso eh.
Fran. Ano? Ano pa
Si
nga?
Otep.
Francine.
Ang bantok naman.
Parang ano, shampoo na ano, na-expired. Ayan.
Kasi hindi pwede ang system.
So,
Masyado.
we thank you for those who bought tickets from us. Sa mga hindi pa nakabili ng tickets, try niyong bumili bukas kung meron pa. Ayan. Thank you to our supportive friends, teachers who bought tickets from us. Yung mga estudyante nila pupunta bukas. Oily na ako, pero I don't care. Ayan. Si Dexter, ganda.
Hi, hello po.
Dexter, ganda. Si Carlita. Yeah. Ayan na, si Annalyn.
Hindi makita.
Hindi makita.
Ayun na.
Adjust na lang yung brightness.
Ayan.
Ang ganda daw ng lightning ha.
Yeah. Lightning. Very, very frightening. Ayan, so, but seriously speaking, thank you very much to all who supported us, liking our page, buying tickets, sharing our posts. Ayan, sa mga nag-i-inquire na hindi pa kumbinsidong bumili na show. Ayan. Yeah, we're trying to convince you now. Yeah, so we hope to bring this show to more schools.
Direct focus mo dito.
Yes.
Thank you po.
Ayan.
La.
Akala ko ano, sana'y di magmali.
Hindi dapat ili-ili. Sarap.
Hey, Sir Jimmy! Yan, nandito na kami sa Pius setting up. Yan, Sir Jimmy is one of our marketers. He will bring 50 to 100 people tomorrow.
Hi, thank you.
Yan. Yan. And thank you also to the other schools who are coming. Thank you to those who expressed that they want to watch. Ayan, bukas na lang. Surprise na lang kung sino sila. Kasi baka hindi dumating. Pag dumating na lang. Ayan, so once again, we're here at Pius Auditorium. This is a very old auditorium. This is where we did our very first concert in 1995. Ayan, nung nag-start ang Super Voice, dito kami nag-concert. So this is like our nostalgia show. Hindi siya like, it is a nostalgia show for us. Kasi, actually, iba estudyante ko, nag-start dito 3 years old. Ngayon, may mga asawa na.
Naunahan pa ako.
Naunahan pa si Otep. Diba yan? If anyone's interested, ayan, pogi, di ba? Binenta. Hindi naman bugaw. I'm just suggesting, baka sakali. That's my assistant director. Ayan, si Otep Domingo.
Try niya daw po sa December.
Try sa December. Ay, ganon. Ay, may sinasabi to, Otin. Ayan. Yan, so, yun lang. Wala na masabi. So, thank you. Nauuna na yung thank you ko, guys. Sa mga manonood bukas, sa mga bumili ng tickets, sa mga bibili pa lang ng tickets. Thank you. We offer this show to the Lord. And sana marami pang matulungan ng show na to by way of giving new artists a chance to perform, and also for our show to be used as a fundraiser for causes na kailangan ng fundraising. Ayan. And of course, in a way, we might be able to inspire our audience to love our country a little more, or a lot more.
Ganyan, gubusan.
May the story of Jose Rizal inspire you
Yung balot yun, di ba?
to value the country that we have. See you tomorrow, Sir Jimmy. Ayan. Hi, Michael, Andrew. Ayan. Andito kami sa Pius ngayon.
Ipit.
Nagpa-practice na si Francis.
Yun o.
Ah,
Ganda mo dyan sa pula. Litsyon na
hindi ko
litsyon.
muna binabalik.
Kulay mo sana.
Sorry. I'm coughing.
Ay, oh!
Marunong na tumal si Francis, hindi ko nakunan. Bukas na lang panoorin niyo.
Yung paside. Talon paside.
Kaya Kuya Paul.
Ay, huwag niyo pagurin, baka hindi makapag-show. Bilang ganun.
Isang talon paside.
Ayan. So again, thank you.
In fairness, may time ka.
I'm very thankful. It's a bit
Pero ang flow,
overwhelming, the attention that we are getting for this show. It's the first time that we have this kind of attention. But I know that God has a plan for this show. And we just go where we are called. Yes, sana maging jam-packed tayo bukas. We're all praying for that. And, of course, more show dates for us. Ayan, yung mga schools nyo na hindi makakapanood bukas, let's open more show dates for them soon. Sana bago mag-sem break ang ibang schools. Ayan, so, to all my friends, mga nakatrabaho ko na teachers, principals, if you are interested to find out more about Rizal Behind Bars, send me a message and I will be going to your school personally. I am personally marketing this show, and I will explain to you what Rizal Behind Bars is all about.
medyo ano ka?
Ah?
Yan. Para baka
Wala po siyang sinabing time actually.